Hi everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs, and I'm going to show you our Hump Day Happy Mail free kit today, Wednesday, June 23rd, with $19 minimum purchase. So the kit is called Claire, and it's 6 sheets, and it has silver hollow foil. It does come with the matching clear date dots. And these are the full boxes. I'm hoping that hollow foil comes off good. I just adore this kit. I spent a long time designing it, and I think it turned out really pretty. So those are the full boxes. These are your date covers, label stickers, and your bottom washi. These are your flags that you can use to make your weekend banner. They fit exactly across the 2 boxes. Your scallop headers, scallop half circles, work labels, some scallop boxes, and some post-it boxes. And these are your half boxes and some labels and quarter boxes. These are your 3 heart checklist, clipboards, sidebar, 3 habit trackers, and then script. Script says payday, errands, plan, laundry, tidy up, Target run, shopping list, hump day, and movie night. And then the last sheet is your headers, your glitter headers, your weekend banner, your scallop for your weekend banner, your flag checklist, 3 hearts, and then some other 2-tone page flags down here. There's 3 of them. Also, you can purchase the clear journal sheet as an add-on, because this is free when you spend $19. This is the matching clear, or you can get matte, but this sheet I'm showing you is clear journal sheet. And we did add the matching releasable, reusable sticker album. It does come with these scripts, so you can put whatever is in this album, like your boxes, or like all your leftover foil pieces, or functional, or characters. And it's 4x6. It's 50 sheets of releasable paper, so 100 sheets in total. It's double-sided. And then this is the back. So yeah, there you have it. If you like this kit, pick it up for free today when you spend $19. We do this every week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notifications. And every time we post a video, you will get notified. Thank you, and have a fabulous hump day.